I want to welcome you at the SOTI Experience Day here in the beautiful Maastricht, the central location for all our customers in the Benelux region.
We're here to hear the new things about new developments already. Charles had given some good insights in the product itself. We did hear already about the location-based services. But what is very interesting is the integration with the Microsoft environment, which gives access to the white-collar market. We have a very good ecosystem in which we share knowledge with each other. It also gives us a competitive advantage in relationship to the unique selling points and the unique characteristics of the SOTI Excite product.
So today we had actually live demos of all our products, and that really have helped showing end customers, the partners, and what they can do and how they can excel their needs going forward. We have been showing Connect, we've been showing Excite, we've been showing all the great things that will help them grow their business going forward.
We are really happy to see most of our important partners here today. We really value our partners, right? They are the eyes and ears in the market for us. We know our product, we know the ins and outs, we have the technical and the sales knowledge. So we really want to work together with them because they know the market, they have their customer base, they know their verticals. So it's a win-win-win situation, as I always say, right? A win for us, a win for the partner, a win for the end customer.
Today has been a huge success for SOTI and all its customers and partners involved. So I'll be looking forward to seeing them every year at a different location in the Netherlands. See you at SOTI Experience Day.